Blackstone Audio presents The Quantum Moment, How Planck, Bohr, Einstein, and Heisenberg Taught Us to Love Uncertainty, by Robert P. Crease and Alfred Scharff Goldhaber. This book is read by Runnette. To our students, whose spirit and insight enlivened our course and this book. Introduction. Not long ago, the two of us were in a classroom listening to our students give their final presentations, which had to consist of original work. Two students read short plays. One performed a hip-hop song. Others created artwork in various media. One student, who was being treated for schizophrenia, explained bravely, haltingly, what it is like to suffer from the disease, using the language of superposed states and quantum mechanics, bringing the typically boisterous and chatty class to dead silence. The next presentation was by a pair of science majors who donned safety goggles, poured liquid nitrogen on a special kind of magnet, which is a Type II superconductor, and demonstrated quantum levitation, explaining the Abrikosov-Meissner effect on which it is based. In between, students made jokes about references to quantum topics that they'd found, including web pages about things like quantum beer and quantum jazz. The last project was by a mechanical engineering major. He brought a stack of odds and ends that he said he had thrown together, Pepsi bottles, eyeglasses, Scotch tape, a ping-pong ball, to the front of the room. He astounded the class by shining a flashlight on the stack from a particular perspective, and it projected a clear image of a cat against the wall. These projects were the final assignment for the Quantum Moment, a class that we've co-taught for half a dozen years. An elective open to physics and philosophy majors, it attracts a diverse range of students. Humanities students who take it are intrigued about what the word quantum means. Science students who take it want to know whether and why a scientific term can really be applied to human behavior. Other students are drawn by the catchy title, or because the course satisfies certain requirements and fits their jammed schedules. The course is about the cultural impact of the quantum. The quantum, the name for the fact that energy comes in finite packages and is not infinitely divisible, was introduced in 1900 to explain puzzling results in a remote corner of physics about how light is emitted and absorbed. Two quantum
Sample complete. Ready to continue?